Hello everybody, I am here to unbox a doll I had for quite some time now. It's the 60 years of Ken Barbie signature first Ken doll reproduction, and it's a lovely box. Like this. I have not untied him from the box before, so I have to do it now. And here's the oh, it was not too easy to tie him loose. Oh, I might need scissors for this. So let's tie him loose. Oh, he fell out. Oh, sorry, Ken. So, let's see. It's the flocked hair Ken, and he's absolutely stunning. Some people have argued that the face is too shiny, but the face on the retro dolls, or the vintage dolls, I mean, they were a bit shiny. They became shiny after quite fast. So I don't have a vintage flocked hair Ken, so I am very happy with this one. The shoes, the slippers are in plastic. And he's very heavy, as the dolls are when it comes to the silkstone dolls, because this is a silkstone doll. And he has one of these modern stands. This is Ken. And here to stand on the side. It's very beautiful. I really like this doll. It's a good addition to my collection because I don't have the flocked hair Ken. I have an old vintage one with brown painted on hair, and this is the bath towel. It's a yellow simple bath towel, like the one that was with the original Ken, I believe, if I am not mistaken. I do really like this doll. He's very beautiful. I also have the Barbie one here. I have showed this one before. Oh, now she's tied to the box. And they will look stunning together. Of course, she has the stand, that is when you put the holes in the feet through the stand, like the first doll had. And her eyes are white, more or less, with blue makeup. I usually tie her up like this in the box, so I won't damage the doll. I was hoping to be able to do that with Ken, but he was packed differently. So, if you find this doll for cheap, I would recommend it. I didn't pay too much for him, to be honest. It's a very nice, the boxes are very nice, they really are. So it's the Ken and the vintage silkstone, Barbie signature, Barbie and Ken dolls. So thank you so much for watching, bye bye.